audacity to go and donate money? Akumbe nwoke borotara ego were me odogwu. You know that is out of borrowed money that you became a rich man. Is out of money that was borrowed and given to you to start up a business that you became a rich man. Emma, normally, a lot of people don't know that you used to be an errand boy in Zimbabwe. A lot of people don't know that about you. They only started knowing you after that rich man borrowed you that money to start that uncle business. So give away the audacity. Give away the millions. Even Ogechi Burerere, give away the audacity, the temerity, the nerves. Ikwete dike ebuko de jinjim. Were gi position or no gi wa donatiri. Philanthropist ego. You know say people where you dey go come like this for your neck. Biakumbe, Ogechi Burerere, your dwarf girlfriend, made a video yesterday night which she has deleted. She was indirectly calling you out to come and pay her the money you are owing her. I made a video yesterday telling you that when Ogechi Burerere was in jail, was in Kirikiri, that Akumbe was nowhere to be found. And Ogechi Burerere being in Nigeria said that in her videos. In the video she made in the night and deleted, she said it. That even in her hard time, Akumbe could not come out for her. That even when she was going through a lot in jail, that you were nowhere to be found. I said it in all my videos. You go the surprise on how they get in for Abi. I said it that when Ogechi Burerere in Nigeria was in jail, when they started mentioning money for her case, Akumbe ran away. Akumbe disappeared. That was the same thing Ogechi Burerere being in Nigeria said. Bia Akumbe. Akumbe. So, out of ego Ogechi Burerere being in Nigeria now bororogi. He na hype as of last year and half of this year. I'm man always bororogi. Just that Ogechi Burerere in Nigeria is now overhyping the money. We know the particular amount Ogechi borrowed you, Akumbe. That was the main reason you were calling Ogechi Burerere in Nigeria. When you put amolota, una cannot do anything. Ogechi Burerere will come back to this country, nothing will happen. When she came back and she entered trouble, Akumbe Wokamonte was nowhere to be found. Oh, to one ade. Know your friends. Gesemba. You want to follow the crowd, Kasekwa? Akumbe is a snitch. Akumbe is a fake friend. Akumbe, whatever Ogechi bororoginye ya, kolemo nebidire crayfish na ahia, otam mam shere. Whatever Ogechi bororogi, whatever kwaya, kolemo gebidire magi na ahia. Back because we know Ogechi Burerere in Nigeria now borrowed you money. All your riches and wealth is coming out of boro. Now so you they go around they borrow money. Jiri why your name borrow ego? Now Ogechi Burerere in Nigeria is now calling you out indirectly. She said she don't want to mention your name. You borrow too much. Even the man in Zimbabwe that borrowed you money you used to open your company, you have not even started paying that man. Damage control. We know you are not the one that will give philanthropists that money. Let me now explain to the general whole world how Ebuko Dejinjim and his team operate with Akumbe. When Ebuko Dejinjim want to do any damage control or want to pay bloggers to support him, he will now pass through Akumbe. He will use the money to send to Akumbe. Akumbe will now send the money through his Nku account, through that Bitters account, to the person that they want to pay to. That is why all the bloggers they have been paying so far, it all carries that Nkwu account. All the people where they pay, my bloggers where they pay 3 million, 5 million to support them, to come and do damage control for them. Even this one that they gave philanthropist, if you check it, it carries that Nkwu account, that Bitters account. If I dey lie, we could bring receipt. You get everything I want check. I know how you people operate. There is nothing new about you people apart from lies and deceit with fake life. If Ebuko De Jinjim want to pay any blogger, this is another day for you to start blogging. Because Ebuko De Jinjim can pay you tomorrow for supporting him. Ihe na-akpari n'internet a we na-akwụ ndị mmadụ bloggers na support you ụgwọ. So if you are not coming content creator or blogger, Tishimwike support where Kile Maga chọrọ gị 500,000 or 1 million. And they use Akumbe. Our Akumbe can eje position of the honor. Our Akumbe can eje set the compass. You can never see it with a church account. No, it looks disappointing. If the money is coming through church account, okay, they see if I bribe the bloggers. They will now use Akumbe's Nkwu account to send the money to the bloggers. Which that was the same thing they did with the philanthropists. If at the life philanthropists bring out the receipt where they use give you that money, Akumbe bring out the receipt, the debit receipt where they use pay that money. It has that Bitters account. I am not lying against you people. I know how you people operate. Don't fucking give me that money game. Call me a bad person. I do not fucking care. But I will always come out to split the truth. Bia nwoke buru tareko were mo odogwu. Onye boroboro. Lekwekwe mgbe ọ ga-esuru gị na Ogechi. Ọ na alụ ọgụ ma na-eme analyze. Even ị ga-akwụcha Ogechi ụgwọ kwụọ ya ma ụgwọ ọta ya na ya ara. A ga-achịpụta okwu unu na ama. I tell you na si una go kwore. Ọ na-abịa. Obodo gedere jinjim for this side. Ihe mom we analyze I send kwara m unu. I no really send you now, you understand? Ndụ ọjọọ unu na-ebi unu ga try unu buru ya ga one place.